In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a quick video on 3 different ways to clean your e-file bits. And this is cleaning, not disinfecting, so if you are using these on clients, you're going to still need to go through with your disinfection protocol, but this just gets all of that product buildup out. I have 3 different methods. I'll show you all of them. You can decide what will work best for you. I hope this helps you, and I will see you next time. Bye!
So here are the 3 bits that I'm going to be cleaning. I've got 3 that I use frequently in my services: my product removal bit, my touch-up bit, and my under the nail cleaner bit, or not my touch-up, but like my finish file bit. Those are my 3. Those are my 3 friends. So now I'm going to just, as you can clearly see, they're a mess, but I'm going to clean them in 3 different ways. The first way that I'm going to clean them, and probably the one that I feel like is used most often, is in a dish of acetone. Now, the next one is a dish of just boiling water. I just filled my cup with boiling water. I'm going to take my bulk remover bit. As you can see, camera doesn't want to focus, but as you can see, it is very loaded with product. I'm going to pop that in the acetone. Next, I'm going to take this lovely one. This is the one that always gets gunked up the fastest. That's going in the hot water. I'm going to set those to the side while I clean the last bit. So the last bit, I'm going to be using this bit cleaner brush that's got a little retractable thing. I am trying to recall where I purchased this from. I will find it and I'll put a link to it in the description box below. It is a lifesaver. This is my favorite method that I just use on a daily basis because it doesn't require getting any liquids out, and then you have to figure out where to dispose of the liquids. But we're just going to put these all to the test. So this little brush is like a little steel wire brush. The bristles, as you can see, can go out and be retracted, which is super helpful. And I'm just going to take and I'm going to run that across my bit. The brush will like force you to drag it across the direction of the grooves on the bit. But as you can see, you swipe it and everything comes right out. Now, as I mentioned in the intro, this doesn't take care of disinfection. So after you do any of the steps in this video, any of the techniques, you will still need to go through with washing and disinfecting otherwise. So here we've got that bit, basically no product residue left in there. It is looking really good, ready to use on the next person. Now, the acetone trick, which is what we're going to be looking at next. I use hard gel on my clients, and if you know a thing or two about hard gel, you will know that it is not going to be dissolved in acetone. Acetone will do basically nothing on a hard gel layered up bit. Now, if you were to be using acrylic, the acetone would work so well because it would dissolve all those little micro bits of acrylic and your bit would be sparkly and brand new looking. However, as I mentioned, we are working with a hard gel residue. There's some residue left in that bit still. My other one, which I'm just going to dunk my fingers right in there because it is water, is kind of the same situation. Not that I feel like it would be better off with acrylic versus hard gel. The hot water did get rid of some. I'm going to dry this off quick. It got rid of, I would say, 50%, give or take. This bit still needs some help. This is one of those bits, though, that does grab stuff and hold on to it really a lot. So it's one that does seem to get clogged faster. However, the hot water trick went halfway. And I feel like if you didn't have the little stainless steel brush, either option would probably be a decent way for you to clean your bits. I don't like the putty. Have you ever seen the putty where you press your bit in, you like roll it across and it supposedly takes everything out of your bit? I don't think that's the best option. I do have that putty too. I should have showed you in the video. It's not a consideration for me. It's just not even an option. So since those 2 that were dunked in the acetone or the hot water weren't as clean as I would prefer them, I'm going to quickly just run my little brush across them afterwards, just like that. I do not clean my bits with this brush after every single client. Mind you, this is maybe like once half a week, like every half week or every week, depending on my workload. And I do just keep track of my bits, but after you clean them, they will work so much better. Here is this other one. Cleaning this one is so satisfying because you can really see everything coming out. I need to replace this bit, but it's like my baby and I don't know where to get a new one just like this. So kind of my detriment here. But anywho, works so well to use this brush. Like I said, I will figure out where I bought it from and I will put a link to it in the description box below. Otherwise, I hope this video was insightful to you. I hope you maybe figured out a new trick. The hot water thing was floating around social media and I just had to give it a try myself. Again, not the one I'm going to be using, but it might work. I hope you guys like it and don't forget to click subscribe to see all my future videos as well.